In this video, I want to show you guys how to view the commit history in Git. There's probably different variations of ways and commands you guys use to view the commit history, so I just want to show you guys the way that I use and what commands I use to view the Git history. We'll be starting off with one. One is just an example repository that I've made, and it's what we're going to be working on today. So the first command that I use to see my command history is pretty simple. Gives you enough detail, not a lot, but just a simple command, git log. Once I press enter, as you guys can see, I get this representation. Here on the top, I get my commit number, the author, which is me, the date, which was my last commit, and what I did in my commit. So it was a new file added. Right here was the commit I did before that, and the same information will be given in what I did. So this is pretty much a great representation of what I did, and if you want to go up or down, then you guys can press the up arrow or the down arrow. You guys can see the rest of your commits. And if you guys want to quit or get out, you guys can press the Q and it will quit out. So to go back, just do git log and it will show you all of the commits that you guys have done previously. So let me go right here to quit. If you guys want more information, git log p will give you more information. It will pretty much show you the difference introduced from each commit or from the commit you did previously. So git log p, the last commit, my ID number, my name, the date, new file added, and actually this new information. It's pretty much the difference between the last two commits. So what happened with that file? A new file was added. So it found a new file. And what did it find? It found, hey, this is a comment inside test1.txt. You guys can see it was first null and then it found test1. So that's how it found a new file. And that's just a way that it gives you more information. So you guys can go back to your commits. And here I deleted a file. As you guys can see, I deleted this file, and it actually shows in red everything and every single line that I deleted, and it shows me that I deleted the file. You can see deleted file, and although I deleted a whole bunch of files in that commit, so it shows you every single line and everything I deleted. You guys can see here there was something here and there's nothing there, so that means it has been deleted and every change that I've made. So I'm going to press Q to get out. Another command that I like to use is git log stat, and pretty much this prints below each commit entry a list of modified files, how many files were changed and how many lines in those files were added and removed. It also puts a summary of the information at the end. So my last commit, new file was added. As you guys can see here, new file was added. README. And the last commit before that, I deleted and removed a whole bunch of different files. So it tells me right here, I deleted 29 lines and I deleted this file. I deleted this file, but no lines were removed. I deleted this file, one line was removed, and etc., etc., etc. You guys can just go through git log and see all the changes that you guys have made. Another thing that I really like is getalongpretty. And getalongpretty, what it will do is make it will beautify it, make it really and nice to read. So I'll do one line. And I actually put all my commits in one line. So this is pretty much if you want something quick and easy, just to see your last commit. You see your last commit, what you did, and you don't want much information. That's something that it will give you and will provide to you. You guys can go down and see everything you guys have done. There's many other ones that you guys can do. I think there's a git log pretty short. That's that. And then there's full. Shows you the commit, the author, Let me see if I remember. There's other ones. There's a fuller. So these are different options. I give you different type of information. You see the author date, the commit, and the commit date. And just more information depending on what you want exactly. And the other one that I use a lot, which I really like, is a format. So let's say you want to format everything in a specific way. So pretty. So the H will pretty much abbreviate the commit hash. AN will give you the author name. So I want the author name. Then I want the author date. And then I want the subject. And there's more abbreviations, so if there's something specific, just go to the Get online and it will give you different formats if you guys want something a specific date or a specific time. So here, I'm got in my commit, my name, 21 hours ago, and the subject, no file added, and because that was the format that I gave it right there. And it's really, really handy, I think, if you want to filter something out by a specific way. And one that I really like too, which is kind of like source tree if you don't like source tree. Well, if you haven't used source tree or just want to see a graph representation, you can use getalongpretty. It gives you a graph-based presentation. So if you haven't used Git, these lines are actually branches, you guys can see. So one branch blue, one branch red, and one branch yellow. Here, these two branches merge into one, and as you guys can see here, that's what I did. I merged, and here I just have two different branches, and here I merged those two branches into one. So you guys can see a representation, how many branches there are. It's just a cool way to see what's happening on your repository, which is really, really awesome. And one final thing that I use sometimes if you want to see just your last two repositories, do that. Actually, this could be any number that you want, so you want to see your last 4 repositories, just do that. Oh. And you see your last 4 repositories. So it's really handy. It's pretty much just a number here, and you'll see your last X amount of repositories. And that's it. If you guys have any questions or have comments you guys use, let me know. Thank you.